Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see about starting with Python. So search for idle. We have seen the ways to download idle in the last video. So today we will start with some arithmetic operations like 3 plus 4 7. Okay, then subtraction. Let's also do multiplication, division, so here we got answer in 4.0. So why is that? To avoid it, we have to use integer division, that is double slashes. Okay, now we will also find modulus. So we know about string, right? String is defined in single quote as well as in double quotes. So string is a bunch of characters. Print is an inbuilt function in Python. Okay, so we can see the difference. We got no inverted commas when we used print. Okay, so let us now do print Python programmers written in double quotes. Okay, so we got absolutely a right answer. So what we'll do now, instead of writing in double quote, we will use single quotes. We got an error, invalid syntax. Why? Because here it is taking as apostrophe s, it is taking as a single quote. So to avoid that, we will write as front slash in front of apostrophe s, and we got output. Now as we have folders written, okay, like that we'll print something like here Kajal is one folder name, and inside that I have new page as one new file as one page. Okay, so we'll print it, and here we can see new is not written. So where is that new? N. So that N it is taking as a new line. Okay, so it is avoiding it. So to avoid it, we are going to use raw string. Okay, just we have to write R. See, we got the perfect output. Now we will print here. Okay, first I want to print Python 3 times. So just we can write 3 into Python. Okay, so you can see 3 times it is printed. Okay, we know about power of, right? 2's power 3. In same way, here if we want to write, we'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. But in power of, what we'll use 2, and in front of that use double stars. See, we got the output. So that's enough for today. Stay tuned. We'll learn something different in next video. Thank you.